I'm a professional housekeeper. When it comes to vacuums, I don't take the suction power of a vacuum lightly at all. The product description said this was 45 kPa, and that is professional style kPa, unheard of. So I'm really excited to open this vacuum up and see how it performs. I'm going to open it up with you right now. We're going to unbox it, see what's in, and then we're going to do a test run. This is the size of the box, which is kind of crazy. Here's a battery pack, a charging cord, the extension pole, one of the attachments, another attachment. I love a vacuum that offers a lot of attachments. The main part. So here is where you're going to push down, empty it there, attach your hose here. Got to figure out what all this other does. Obviously squeeze here to power. You have the screen here, the main brush head here to hang it and put it away. And then some extra filters, which I'm thankful that comes with, and then some screws for mounting. I'm gonna put it together real quick and then we're gonna try it out. So just powering it on, it starts at the minimum, and if you would like it to go stronger, you slide your hand up and it goes to the stronger power and back down to lower it from the string. So I'm going to zoom in on the carpet here. You can see here in a second, you'll be able to see I haven't vacuumed in about 2 days, maybe 3. Don't judge me. Let's see how she does.